Hi, today we are going to learn how to let users transfer points to each other. The MicroPayments plugin allows you to create a virtual wallet for your users, rewards them with points and let them pay for them using real money. The MicroPayments plugin allows you to create a virtual wallet for your users, rewards them with points and let them pay for them using real money. The wallets are the accounts to which the points have to be connected to. They work very similar to bank accounts or real-life wallets. We recommend you first to configure the plugin, as in this example use case video will cover only the process of how users can transfer points to each other. To transfer points between user wallets directly, you have to create a page with the shortcode Transfer Wallet Points. This shortcode shows the form which allows making a transfer of points from your own wallet to the other wallet with the known ID or username. Of course, only the amount of points lower or equal to the amount of points available on the wallet, and not less than 1 can be sent. When you place the shortcode on the page, the form for transferring points on the front end can look like a bit differently in some cases. Let's consider them all step by step. Have a note that the form can be displayed only for logged-in users. Navigate to CM MicroPayment platform, Settings, General tab. The appearance of the form can depend on if the option Assign a single wallet to each customer is enabled. When this option is enabled, each user can have only one wallet assigned to him. So, in the form for transferring points, the user just needs to choose which user he wants to send the points to in the drop-down To User. Then define the amount of points to send in the field Points to Transfer, and then click the button Transfer Points. If the option Assign a single wallet to each customer is disabled, each user can have more than one wallet. And in this case, instead of the field To User, there will be another one, To Wallet ID. The user has to know the wallet ID of the user or his username, which he wants to send the points to. The admin has more possibilities than regular users. In the form for transferring points, a new field appears for that role, From Wallet ID. It means that he can send points not only from his wallet, but also from the wallet of any other user. By default, in the field From Wallet ID is written Admin First Wallet ID. To send points from another user wallet, he needs to paste another wallet ID. You can let users add comments when they perform a transfer. To do so, add the following parameters to the shortcode. Comment Enable. Set 0 to disable comments and 1 to enable them. Comment Required. Set 0 to make comments optional and 1 to make them required. This parameter works only if the parameter Comment Enable is turned on. You can see on the screen the example of the shortcode that enables adding comments that are not required. A text area comment will appear in the form. These comments can be seen only in the backend for the admin in wallets transactions of two users, sender and receiver. There are a few types of messages for sending points. If everything is correct, the points will be transferred immediately, and the user will see the message that the points are sent successfully. Otherwise, a message with the error will be displayed, for example, that the wallet does not have enough points, or if the user entered the value less than 1. All labels and messages in the form can be customized or translated to another language. To do this, navigate to CM MicroPayment platform, Settings, Labels tab. Here are the labels that you can change in the form for transferring points. A few labels contain the %s symbol. In the label Transfer Successful, first %s will be substituted with the sent amount of points. Second and third %s symbols will be substituted by wallets IDs of sender and receiver respectively. In labels %s to transfer and transfer %s, it will be substituted by the name of points on your site. You can change the name of points to the one you need in first two labels, for plural and for singular name of points. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to configure the form to let users send points to each other. Thanks for watching the video.